So I'll be showing you how to insert a Nano SIM card into your Nokia phone. Now, most of these Nokia dumb phones take the standard size SIM card. And so if you're coming from a smartphone or maybe a more advanced phone, you probably have a Nano SIM card, which of course you initially took out of this casing or this housing, which can turn it either into a standard SIM card, a micro SIM, or a Nano SIM card. Now, let's say you've misplaced all this and all you have left is a Nano SIM card and you don't have this to turn it into a standard SIM card. So I'll be showing you how you can insert this Nano SIM card into your Nokia phone. So obviously, first of all, let's go ahead and switch off the phone and then pop out the case, the back cover. Very simple, just put your finger in that little space, pop out the outer cover, and then remove the battery. And then, as you can see, we do have the standard size SIM card slots. This is actually a dual SIM Nokia 106. This particular unit is a dual SIM. So to enter a Nano SIM card, you just have to be smart about it. Now, what you need to do is hold your SIM card like this. You can see we have the contacts on this side of the Nano SIM card. Now, this Nano SIM card, we do have two sections of this, okay? So we do have one to this side and this side. And what you're trying to do basically is to align these contact areas with the two sets of contact areas in the same slot, okay? So you can see these 3 pins, 1, 2, 3, and then you can see another 3 pins on the other side of this little metal. So basically, you want to try and align the best you can, and it might take a few tries, but eventually you'll get there, okay? So just look at the Nano SIM card itself, flip it over, of course with this indent facing your side, and then try to slide the Nano SIM card. Don't push it too far to the left or too far to the right. Just try to align it the way it will have the best contact with those contact points, okay? Now, like I said, it might take a few tries, but it's worth the effort. So don't push it all the way to the end. Just try to estimate where it's going to align or attach itself to the contact points. And then you have to keep trying by putting the battery back on and trying to start the phone. And if the SIM card is detected, you'll know once you switch on the phone. There you go. So on the first attempt, mine was actually detected because it's now asking for my SIM pin, which I'll now enter, press OK, and then I'll be welcomed into the phone, and I should see my network registered in a few seconds. There you go. And I have full bars of network, and that is basically how you can insert a Nano SIM card into your Nokia 105 phone. Now, like I said, it might take a few attempts, but I hope this video will show you how it might want to sit in that SIM card slot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.